Looking good. The pineapple we just planted like few days ago got a lot of rain. Got a lot of rain. Yeah, it was watered by the rain for 2 days, so it is good timing. I will show you when I get back from Puerto. We need to buy some stuff there, and yeah, this is how it looks like now. So I'm thinking to clear it when it's dry season, when like January, and let it dry, because rainy season here starts at end of May or June. But it depends, by the way, it depends on the season, so I can't tell properly. So yeah, what a nice view. I think it's going to rain or just like this, because now is amihan, so the monsoon is different now, southeast and I don't know, amihan and habagat. So now it's December is amihan, so when it's summertime, habagat, that's the season. Wind, circulation. Ay, ay, ay. So yeah, soon it will not be looking like this, because it will be clear, so we can see the mountain again, because I'm gonna hire someone to cut the trees like this mangyom, because they're not good, by the way, from the pineapple and the bananas we planted there. So I will remove them, and maybe later I plant mahogany, something like that. This is mahogany, so this one is good, also good wood. So yeah, like that. But this one, I'm gonna cut them later when they give flowers, fruits, and have seeds. So we have seedlings from this tree, mahogany. And as you can see, this is my avocado. It keeps growing and didn't give flowers. It's because, so the old says that the nutrients from the soil is getting from the mahogany, is taking it. So yeah, so soon enough or later, I'm gonna cut them. So I don't know, maybe when after 2 years. So now it's looking like this. I'm gonna show you later after they cut them, and we can see again the mountain behind these trees here. Yeah, see, as you can see, slowly. So like in few days, they are going to pile the wood to make an uling. Uling is charcoal. So charcoal made in mangyom. So yeah. So looking good. And my other avocado and the cashew. It's cashew season now. It's look like jungle again after, like, after one season of rain. So everything turns into a jungle again. But pretty soon it will be clear. So yeah, this is how it looks like now. I'm on the roof. So I'm gonna go down. But I think this roof needs to be paint because it's rusty. Look at that, the rust. So I think we need to paint it, but it depends. I don't know. I can't decide that yet. I'm not a professional videographer yet. So yeah, I like the view here. I always like here when I'm on the roof. Oh my. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video now, and I will take a video and then again after we came back from Puerto and show you the different. Ciao, ciao.